So I had to fork out $120 yesterday for a tow bill for the Suburban. I was at my folks' house, and on the way home, almost all the way home, just cruising along, and it's like somebody shut the ignition switch off. At 201,000 miles, the fuel pump finally took a shit. Here's what I got going on here. Did I really want to drop a 40-gallon fuel tank? I mean, it's only half filled, but that's 20 gallons of gas I didn't feel like wrestling with. Nope, spend 15 minutes, I'm going to fashion a fancy trap door. Anybody who's got a big barn, Suburban, it's recommended. I mean, I'm going to probably just tack weld. I might even put hinges on it. I'm going to put the piece of metal back in place, and then I'm going to seal it up with some roofing tar or silicone, and then you cover the carpet and the insulation back over it, and you never even know. So I'm going to get out the shop vac and clean up all this debris, put some penetrating oil on those fuel lines, and replace the pump.